I also just feel I don't see near as much value in those classes. I'm more of an individual that is like, understand how the things work, and then from that you can understand all the other things. Where I don't even want to say preventative maintenance, but I remember some classes that were like production management leader or something like that. And it's like, I don't know, just the modules that are in it, it's just like super unvaluable. You might as well just read a book or something like that in my mind. And especially whenever it comes to like wanting to get a degree in automation, you know, you definitely want to 100% get as many like mechatronics, PLC programming, robot programming, electrical classes, mechanical classes, like how do gear ratios work. Like you could probably have an elective, I'd utilize it for like physics or something along those lines, where you can have like math, or like math that's tailored towards like physics, like whenever you have to take your math class. Like these are things that are very, very important, like while you're going for your degree, that you don't just waste it on like math 101 or algebra 101 or whatever the basic level course is, right? Take whatever the course is that's more applied towards what it is you're gonna do. Because you know, if you end up deciding you want to be a mechanical engineer, then you may decide that you want to become a mechanical engineer, and if you do so, then it's better to have a background in something that actually is applicable towards like mechanical engineering, or just sometimes like intuitively, like even if in the beginning of your career you're like the guy like bolting things on, and you can just look at something like, pretty sure this is gonna snap because the math of it, right? I'm just talking very generic terms. Some of these things are very important with giving you like an intuitive knowledge on the things that you're working with. Kind of along the same topics, just like make sure like any of your electives that you're using, make sure you use those electives towards something that'll really apply towards what may be your career or the type of job that you're looking for.